Dear learners, welcome to this session on creation of effective e-content. I, Dr. Remet Dias, Head of Pharmacy Department at Government Polytechnic Jalgaon, welcome you all. After completing this module, the learners will be able to define e-content and state its features, describe steps in development of e-content for learning, and create e-content for online teaching learning process using various multimedia tools. Now, let us see what do you mean by e-content. E-content is the information and creative elements contained within a website or other internet platform. It can also be called as digital content. E-content can be created by any organization or individuals. It includes text, audio, video, photos, images, graphics, games, animations, and various presentations. Now let us see what are the characteristics of good e-content. Any e-content should be visually appealing and it should connect to audience. Anybody who wants to visit that e-content, he should feel that this content is what I wanted to see, or this content which I wanted to go through. Therefore, visuals and connecting to audience is important. It should bring some interaction between a e-content and a person who is using it. There should be the clear learning objectives which should come forth through this e-content. The content should be focused and simplified. Time and space should be utilized very properly, and with that e-content, the customers, the students should be satisfied. So these are the 7 important characteristics when we are preparing the e-content. Now, let's see what are the various phases of developing e-content. The first phase is analysis. We have to analyze the need of developing the e-content. Not only that, we have to see who is going to be our target audience, and we should analyze them, that what exactly we should put forth to this level of their understanding. Second phase is the design phase. Here, a teacher needs to consider the aspects like which course he is going to design, how many chapters he is going to cover, and in every chapter how many modules are going to be there. If he is going to think on a single module, he should think whether this module he is going to develop the e-content in the form of a PDF file, in a form of a video, or in the form of a audio. So what exactly he is going to work out in his course, that is important. So second step is design. The third one is development. Once your plans are ready, what you are going to develop is ready, then actual development will start. If you are going to take the first chapter, you are going to create a video for that, come on, you have to develop that video, and that video needs to be tested by your colleagues, tested by the experts in the field, so that they will guide you. The next step is of implementation. If the experts have told you to redesign the article, yes, you have to do it, and then you are going to implement it. And then the evaluation will be done by your students who are going to listen it, or by your peers who are going to listen. So Usually the e-content development are the phases starting from analysis, need analysis as well as audience analysis, then designing of each and every module and its details, then developing the modules or whatever activity you have planned, then testing of each activity, and then you are going to implement it actually, and once it is there in the market, it will be evaluated, which can be further modified. So after going through all these phases, let us go ahead to a question. What are various forms of e-content that needs to be developed by a teacher for online teaching? Dear learners, take your time, pause the video and record your answers. What various forms of e-content that teacher needs to develop? If you have done with your answer, then play the video. So dear learners, you are going to create the e-content for the online teaching, and those are creation of visuals and images, creation of presentations, creation of animations, videos, podcasts or blogs. So let us go to the first, that is how you can create the good visuals. Whenever you want to come up with a image or a visual or a chart, at that time these are the important parameters which you should consider. First of all, have clarity of the subject. The image should clear what you mean to say. Once you have chosen the image or designed the image, remember the rule of thirds. Rule of thirds means your graphics should not cover 1/3 of your contents. It should be lesser than that, and it should not be at the center. Use always the natural light. Make sure there is enough contrast so that the graphics design will be seen very nicely on the e-content platform. You should always choose complementary colors. If you want, you can get familiar with a color wheel. Let us go to this color wheel. You can see this Canva color wheel where you can pick any color which you want from here. This one has been picked over here. So if you pick this color, you can go for a complementary. What type of color combination you want? Monochromatic, analogous, complementary, and we are going to choose complementary. So we have got this complementary color which can be used. So you can create a graphic over here, or you can use this color wherever you want to design. Now let us go ahead. You have to keep the graphics very simple and don't go for over editing it. Now let us see how we can get the good images. If you come to pixels, I can give any of the topic. So let's go for the pharmacy. So yes, we have got this. So what you are looking for, give the topic, and these are the pictures which you want. If you want to select this, yes, you can select it and freely you can download it. The downloaded picture can be once again modified. So we can create very good visuals by either designing or using free software tools which are available, and these can be used in our presentations. Now let us go to the second part, creation of presentations. Now when the presentations need to be created, keep the layout design very simple. Limit your bullet points and text 6x6 rule. Means in a presentation there should not be more than 6 lines, and there should not be a 6 word in a single line. Then you can limit the transitions. You can use animations. but it should not look gaudy by more types of animations you are taking. Then use high quality graphics, use color very well, think of which font to be used, and even you can use video or audio. Now let us go and see how we can do a Prezi presentation. Dear colleagues, we are using PowerPoint and PowerPoint is the king in presentations. But still, I just want to show you that how the Prezi can change your already created presentations. Now you can see this Prezi website. Here we can create the presentations from templates, or we can start from the scratch and use the features to prepare our own presentation, or you can convert your PowerPoint presentation. Whatever PowerPoint presentation you are having, if you convert it, it will be changed to a very different type of presentation. So what we can do is we have to go here. So we get here to upload our PowerPoint file. So you can upload a PowerPoint file and then you can see how your presentation is done. I have uploaded the file and one presentation is ready. So let us see how it has converted a PowerPoint presentation into a Prezi presentation. You can see the zooming in of the slides and zooming out of the slides. Okay, that's all. That was the PowerPoint presentation converted into a Prezi presentation. Only thing is, this presentation will be saved in Prezi website. As we save our videos on either on Facebook or YouTube, likewise we can save this presentation on Prezi, and whenever we require it, we can use the same presentation. Only thing is, internet will be required. You can add music to this, you can create your own presentation. So this type of different looking presentations can be done by using Prezi. We have Canva, so various other softwares can be used to create these type of presentations. Dear colleagues, we can create videos as a e-content. For that, first thing you have to do is pick your topic on which you want to create a video. Choose a format for your content. This is important because you can create various types of videos. Your screen can be recorded, which is called as a screen recorder. You can animate, so that is called as an animated video. Your face can be recorded, so you can even use that camcorder type of human recorder. So various types of videos can be recorded, and therefore first you have to choose the format for your content. Make the script ready while delivering your lecture. Your script should be ready. You are going to record the video using a software, and then you can edit it, review your work, and then once the work is reviewed, produce, host. There needs to be hosting, maybe on YouTube, Facebook, anywhere you can host, and then you can distribute it. This is the screen customatic, where you can launch the free recorder, no need of login, and you can record 15 minutes of video just as a screen recorder, or you can even have your own webcam focused on you, or you can use both webcam as well as screen recording. So go ahead and record your video by following the rules given for recording the video. So let us see the remaining e-content creation in the next video. Thank you.